What's up guys? So the products that I'm going to use are the Clairol Colors Bleach. It's the blue pack, 2 small 20 volume developers, and the only reason I got the small ones is because the stores that I always go to, they were out of the bigger bottles. And for toner, I'm using the Wella Color Charms in T14. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Hoping that I can get it the color blonde that I would like with the 20 volume developer because I want to minimize the amount of damage. Alright, so I already picked out my hair and everything, and I'm going to take my bleach and I'm going to put it in a plastic bowl. So that's about how much I used. I'm just going to take 1 bottle of the developer and I'm just going to put that in. And then I don't have the little brush, so I just take my comb and I'm just stirring it. And that's the right consistency that I like. And I'm just going to put this all over my hair. My whole head is covered now in the bleach, and I've been just working it through to make sure that it's everywhere. And I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes with a plastic shower cap on, and I'll come back in a few just to show you guys the color. But it's already turning, so I'm pretty excited about that. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes since I initially put it on, and don't judge my Kroger grocery bag on my head. I had to do what I had to do because I cannot find a shower cap anywhere in this house to save my life, so I had to use what I had. And this is 15 minutes of processing so far. So yeah. So it's been about 25 minutes. I know I said I was going to let it sit for 30, but it's already the color that I needed it to be, the color that I wanted it to be before I toned it. So I'm going to go ahead on and rinse it out. Well, I didn't expect it to get this light with 20 volume developer. So if your hair is not sandy or at least a lighter brown color, do not come for me in the comment section about how 20 volume developer in the Colors blue pack did not get your hair this light. I'm sorry. Just a disclaimer. So now I have my gloves on, and I'm going to take my Wella toner in T14. And you're supposed to do 1 part toner, 2 parts developer, and so I have my bowl. This is what it looks like. Just gonna pour this into your bowl. And I'm gonna use this to pour developer in, that way I know that I'm getting 1:2 ratio. I have a little bit left in one of the 20 developers, so I'm gonna pour that in here. And the other one. So that's what it looks like. And you're just gonna mix it. My toner is all mixed up now, and I'm just gonna apply that. Alright, so I have the toner all over my head now. I'm gonna take another plastic bag, or if you have a shower cap, you can use a shower cap. And we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. So I've had the toner sitting on my hair for about 30 minutes now, and I'm kind of worried because it looks kind of darker than what I wanted, but I'm not sure the exact color till I rinse it out. Alright guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I do want to say that I personally did not experience any curl damage or loosening or anything of that nature. But that's just my personal experience. I cannot speak for what will happen to your hair if you try this. And I also do want to state that I am not a professional. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.